Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your ultimate source for deep, no-fluff tech reviews that actually help you decide whether a gadget is worth your money. If you're a gamer or tech enthusiast looking for the next evolution in handheld gaming, then stick around, because today we're diving into one of the most hyped devices of 2025, the Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2. If you thought the first Legion Go was already impressive, wait until you see what Lenovo has done this time. From refined design and better ergonomics to a power-packed new processor and smarter software integration, the Gen 2 feels like a serious step toward redefining portable PC gaming. But before you think it's perfect, there are a few surprises, both good and bad, that you need to know. So grab your snacks, and let's find out if the Legion Go Gen 2 truly delivers on the promise of power in your palms. The 2025 Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2 is powered by AMD's latest Ryzen Z2 Extreme APU, built on Zen 5 architecture with RDNA 3 Plus graphics. This new chip boosts performance and efficiency, fixing one of the main pain points of the first-gen model. You get up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage from 512 GB to 2 TB PCIe Gen 5 SSD, ensuring near-instant load times. The display remains a highlight, an 8.8-inch QHD plus IPS touchscreen running at 144 Hz refresh rate with 500 nits brightness and 100% DCI-P3 coverage. Lenovo has clearly listened to feedback. The Legion Go Gen 2 keeps the detachable controller concept but refines almost every aspect. The build feels sturdier, buttons more tactile, and joysticks now use Hall effect sensors to eliminate drift entirely, a massive upgrade. The device feels balanced, with subtle curves and a lighter magnesium aluminum alloy frame for comfort. Lenovo added a sturdier, wider kickstand, allowing for more stable tabletop play. RGB lighting remains but is more subtle, a classy accent rather than a distraction. The 8.8-inch QHD Plus panel is one of the sharpest and most responsive displays in any handheld. The 144 Hz refresh rate genuinely makes gameplay smoother. Lenovo's adaptive refresh tech automatically switches between 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and 144 Hz depending on the task, preserving battery life. Colors pop, blacks are deeper, and viewing angles are wide, great not only for gaming but also for streaming or editing. In performance, this thing absolutely flies. Thanks to AMD's Z2 Extreme chip and the upgraded cooling system, the Legion Go Gen 2 runs AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Elden Ring at high settings without breaking a sweat. Even at QHD resolution, frame rates remain solid in the 60 to 90 FPS range. Lenovo's Cold Front Vapor Plus cooling uses dual fans with whisper quiet operation, keeping temperatures comfortable during marathon sessions. Lenovo's Legion Space software also gets a major overhaul. It's cleaner, faster, and fully integrated with Xbox Game Pass, Steam, and Epic. A new performance dashboard shows real-time stats like temperature, FPS, and power usage. You can customize control mapping and sensitivity per game. For streamers, integration with OBS and Shadowplay makes recording or streaming smoother than ever. Battery life sees huge improvement. The 68Wh battery and efficient Z2 APU offer 4 to 6 hours of gaming and nearly 10 hours of media playback. It supports Super Rapid Charge Pro, juicing up to 70% in 30 minutes via a 100W USB-C charger. Dual USB-C ports mean you can charge while using external accessories or displays. For creative users, the APU and display make editing or sketching fluid. Connect to an external monitor, and it becomes a mini desktop. Lenovo's Legion eGPU dock lets you pair it with an RTX 4080 or 4090 for desktop-level power. Audio is better than ever. Dual front-firing Harman-tuned speakers deliver clearer mids and deeper bass, supporting Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. The 3.5mm jack remains, and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures low-latency wireless sound. Connectivity includes dual USB 4 Type-C ports, a microSD slot, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. Native DisplayPort 1.4 support outputs 4K at 120 Hz. The right controller doubles as a mini mouse with an optical sensor, futuristic yet practical. The price starts at $799 for 512 GB and up to $1,099 for 2 TB. Given its power and features, it's competitively priced against rivals like the Asus ROG Ally X and Steam Deck OLED. Now, the pros and cons. Pros: stellar performance, top-tier display, improved ergonomics, better battery, efficient cooling, and extensive customization. Cons: still a bit bulky for small hands, not full-day battery life, and a higher price for upgraders. After testing, here's the final verdict. Lenovo has refined one of the most ambitious handheld gaming PCs. This is no minor refresh, it's a carefully upgraded device blending raw power, comfort, and portability better than most rivals. The Legion Go Gen 2 delivers console-level performance in a travel-friendly form factor. If you're a gamer craving flexibility, a creator seeking portability, or just someone who loves premium tech, this device might be your next favorite gadget. It's not perfect, but it's one of the most balanced and capable handhelds of 2025. This was the authentic review of the Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe to Tech Vibe for more honest, hands-on tech reviews. Stay tuned for more, because the world of tech never sleeps, and neither do we.